Hello, and welcome to this short 5-minute guided meditation that you can do anytime, anywhere to reset your mind, release anxiety, and gain more clarity in your life. So find yourself a comfortable seat, either on a chair or cross-legged on the floor. And let's start with a few deep breaths. In and out, in and out. And with your next out breath, just gently closing your eyes. With every exhale, feel your body relaxing, the tension releasing from your shoulders. Return the breath to normal now and just focus on the sensation of the breath rising and falling. In and out, in and out. Begin to scan down your body with the exhalation, starting with your head and slowly working your way down to your neck, shoulders, and all the way down to your fingertips and toes. As you scan down, visualize your blood oxygenating each body part, awakening, energizing. Notice if any body parts feel particularly tense or uncomfortable. Not thinking too much about it, just noticing. Once you reach your toes with the exhales and the body scan, return the attention to your chest as it rises and falls. Continue to focus on that breath as we go quiet for a few moments. And now slowly bring your attention back to your body, the sensations in your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, just gently open your eyes. I am wishing you a wonderful and peaceful day. Until next time.